Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use the Taxify driver app in Qatar. This tutorial is designed to provide you with a step-by-step guide on how to navigate and utilize the app to its full potential. Firstly, you need to download and install the Taxify driver app from the App Store. Once installed, you will need to create an account by providing the required information such as your name, email address, phone number, and vehicle details. After creating your account, you will need to verify your phone number and email address. You will receive a verification code via SMS and email, which you will need to enter into the app to complete the verification process. Once your account is verified, you can start using the app to receive ride requests. To do this, you will need to go to the map view and set your status to online. This will allow you to receive ride requests from nearby passengers. When you receive a ride request, you will see the passenger's pickup location, destination, and estimated fare. You can then choose to accept or decline the ride request. If you accept the ride request, you will need to navigate to the pickup location using the in-app GPS. Once you have picked up the passenger, you can start the trip by pressing the Start button. You will then need to navigate to the destination using the in-app GPS. During the trip, you can use the app to communicate with the passenger and provide them with updates on your estimated arrival time. At the end of the trip, you will need to press the End button to complete the trip. The passenger will then be prompted to rate you and provide feedback on the trip. You will also receive your earnings for the trip, which will be transferred to your account. To maximize your earnings, it is recommended that you use the app during peak hours, such as during rush hour or at night. You can also use the app's features such as the hotspot feature, which shows you areas with high demand for rides. Additionally, it is recommended that you follow the app's guidelines and rules, such as maintaining a high rating and providing excellent customer service. This will help you to increase your earnings and build a loyal customer base. In conclusion, using the Taxify driver app in Qatar is a straightforward process that requires you to create an account, verify your information, and navigate the app to receive ride requests. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start using the app to earn money and provide excellent service to your passengers.